nail friends, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we are going to create super fun fall and pre-Christmas dip nails using double dip powder. Here is the kit that they sent me a while back. I wanted to go over it with you guys again, and they also sent me some lovely colors that we're going to be using today. So I love their starter kits, you guys. I am not an expert at dip at all, and I found their dip kit to be super beginner friendly. I love their powders and I loved their liquids, and the bottles are nice and big and easy to work with. You get a fast drying base, the yellow activator, and you get a brush cleaner, which is super useful when doing dip nails. And then you also get a gel like gloss finish. It is not a gel, but it has a super similar finish to gel, which is absolutely lovely. So we have this beautiful green color here. Absolutely gorgeous. The powder consistency is really fine and smooth. And when I'm dipping, you guys, I like to use these little cupcake trays. I find it much easier. And I will show you guys how we're going to create this really fun dip nail set. It's going to be ombre, and I'm getting Christmas vibes with this set, you guys. Super excited. So please stay tuned and watch. And you guys, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to join. I review tons of nail products, and I show you how to create beautiful, gorgeous, and affordable nails at home. And you guys, if you are buying from doubledipstore.com, use my code GLAMNAILS20 for 20% off your order, and they are super affordable to begin with, so why not get some extra discount if you can. So here, you guys, I applied a nice thin layer of that base all over the nail here, and I like using a cuticle pusher, or if you have a little tiny measuring spoon, that also works great. And I basically like to pour the dip powder over my nails instead of actually dipping it in. I always liked this method better. I don't know, it's just easier for me. And another hack, you guys, when you're dipping your nails, keep the powder on your nails for a few seconds before tapping off the excess. This really gives the powder time to really saturate into that base. And you guys, you can also use base to adhere stones. I've tried this before and it works really well. Now this gorgeous color is called His Queen, and it is a beautiful coppery red shade, and it has medium-sized hexy glitters in there. It's really gorgeous. Absolutely love this shade. Super excited also to be using it in Christmas designs. And again, you guys, with this design, it is a fall Christmas design, so kind of getting us to transition into the season. And I'm going to show you guys how to do ombre with dip nails, which I was surprised how easy this was. I was always scared to do it myself, and it actually is super simple. So you guys, same thing here. I applied that base, and I'm scooping over that powder all over the nails. And you guys, I was super in love with this green color. I believe it is called Grinch Day. Haha, funny for pre-Christmas nails. But I got it to be opaque in one coat. So super loving that. And you guys, these powders can be used as acrylics as well. I actually prefer using them with monomer. They are super buttery and creamy, really easy to work with any monomer you have. And they also have an organic monomer on their site. And you guys, this product, I love anything made in the USA. So this is proudly made in the USA, and it is women owned and operated, so I'm all for that. Very fun. So you guys, I'm just going in with the thumbnail here. So all the nails are basically going to be this beautiful green, and then we are going to go in and ombre. And you guys, as always, if you have any questions or just want to chat, comment down below. I love talking with you guys. Any looks you guys want to see. I'm super excited that we are finally getting some cooler weather. Absolutely love this season. So you guys, we are continuing on here with the ombre part. And I forgot to show you guys, I brushed off this powder, okay? So after you put on your powder, if you're going to go in with another layer of base, you want to make sure that you have a little fluffy brush there and just brush off any excess powder, and then wipe your brush on a lint-free wipe or a napkin. This helps with any contamination of the brush. And yeah, so super important, you guys, and you want to make sure that you brush your nails off with a fluffy brush. So I'm just cleaning off my surface here from that dip powder. We are going right in with that ombre. Okay, you guys, I am super nervous and excited to try this. So this is what I did, okay? I know that was kind of quick there. I took a little bit of base, you guys can see I'm doing it here, focused the majority of the base in the area where I want the color to be more concentrated, and then lightly feathered that down the nail, not going all the way down the nail, okay? So majority where you want the color more concentrated, and then feathering whatever's left on your brush down the nail. And then while I'm using this cuticle pusher, I'm putting the majority of the powder at the tip of the nail, so where you want the majority of the color. And then whatever's left on your scooper, just sporadically sprinkle it down the nail. This creates the perfect ombre. Highly recommend. So basically you're just using the base, you're painting the most on the area where you want the color most concentrated, and then just using like tapping motions. You guys can see tap, tapping just a little bit of that base, okay? And then you're going to use your cuticle pusher and really gently sprinkle it on top of the nail. I think the sprinkling motion really helps get that really pretty ombre effect. This was super easy, you guys. And if you are dipping your nails, okay, into the jar, you're going to do the same technique, except you are going to basically dip your finger into the jar, and as soon as you take it out, take like a fluffy brush, and you want to brush towards the tip of your nail, and this will also create an ombre for you guys, okay? And if you guys have any tips that you guys like using for ombre acrylic nails, please let me know down below. Love to chat with you guys. And again, you guys, I am super impressed about how these powders work. I am in love with them, whether I use them for dip or with acrylic. I really like the opacity. They're easy to work with, super buttery, and I really enjoy them. And you guys, as I mentioned before, we are so happy to support local businesses. This one is here in Texas where I live, so I am super happy to support and help local businesses and women-owned businesses. Okay, you guys can see what I mean there. So I focus the majority on the tip, and then I'm just sprinkling it down the nail. So fun, you guys. I really enjoyed this. Right, you guys, so you want to make sure you brush off the excess powder, and then we are going to go in with our activator. Activator basically hardens everything up. It makes sure that everything's fully cured and dried. So you want to apply a layer of that when you're finished dipping and brushing off that powder, super important. And then you're going to buff and file your nails, and then you're going to go back in with another layer. Activator is super important when dipping nails. It really ensures that everything is all hard and cured. Never want to forget this step. And when you apply it, you're going to see it kind of changes the color of the dip so you can see exactly where you're putting it, and you want to make sure that you get it all over the nail but not on the skin. So I am going to file and buff these, you guys, off camera, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, we are going in with the gel-like gloss top coat, and I love dip top coats. I think they're fabulous. They work great with dip, and they seriously get a gorgeous shine. Sometimes I swear even better than gel top coats. So when you are using these, you guys, you want to do a quick top all over all the nails. So you guys can see I'm not taking too much time, just nice smooth strokes all over all the nails. And then I let these dry, and then I go in with another layer, and you guys want to make sure that you are capping your ends as well, getting that all over a nice quick layer. Then you're going to wait until they dry, and then you're going to apply another layer on top. And oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. They're looking so beautiful. I'm getting those Christmas vibes, but yet still fall vibes. Absolutely obsessed with these nails. So again, you guys, we're going to wait, and then we're going to do that final top coat on these nails. You can tell in the shine of the nails that they dried, and then you're going to go in this second layer. You can take your time and be a little bit more detailed with your work here. Make sure you are capping your ends, nice smooth strokes here, you guys. And you guys, what I love about this kit is that they always give you those extra little brushes if your brushes get clogged, which they do with dipping, and they also have a fabulous brush saver, which you can just pop your brush in there for a few hours and it will be like new. Once this dries, you guys, pop on your cuticle oil and you are ready to go. I am living for these ombre dip nails. Absolutely love the Christmas fall vibes. I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to use my coupon GlamNails20 for 20% off, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.